Hi everyone, I'm Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, streaming to you from my dungeon of dreams. Join me in the magical world of crochet, knitting, and all things yarn. If you're a fellow yarn enthusiast, hit that subscribe button and become part of our creative journey. Let's dive into today's project. Hey guys, welcome to Battle of the Stitches. This is the last Wednesday of the month, and be sure to go to Critters Crochet, Teresa from Critters Crochet's channel, to get the live that we're going to do. We always do our last Wednesday of the month's live on Teresa's channel. So go check that out. I just wanted to give a few updates. I'm gonna link a video that Teresa did also explaining the changes, and I just wanted to explain the changes in my channel as well. They're very exciting and I hope that everybody likes them. So starting in June, we are going to see who all wants to participate. This would be great. We want everybody to do it. If you don't want to do videos, but you still want to kind of try your hand at making something with the stitch of the month, then please go to our Facebook group. I'll link that in my description and go check that out. And if you want to make videos and not be a competitor, I encourage you to do that as well. Just use the hashtag Battle of the Stitches. You know, we're working through this book, 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Todd Hunter, the step-by-step guide to 200 crochet stitches. And if you don't have the book and you're curious what the stitch is for whatever month you want to do with it, you can get in touch with either me or Teresa and we'll let you know. We are going to, starting in June, limit the number of people who are competing together to be me and Teresa and then 2 others. There may be less other months, some months there may be up to 2, but it kind of makes it easier for everybody to watch each other's videos. I still encourage those of you who want to make videos to just do that on your own and you know, like I said, use the hashtag Battle of the Stitches and make something and show. You can do it every Wednesday with us if you want to do a tutorial for the stitch the first month or first week of the month, then do a sneak peek the second Wednesday of the month, show us what you made the third. That's great. We would love to have you doing that alongside us, but we're only going to have at most, besides Teresa and I, we're going to at most have 2 others just to make it so that it's easier for the viewers to not have so many places to go to watch the videos. Another thing we are going to change is we're going to just have one voting poll. So I'm not sure which channel we're going to do it on yet, but starting in June, if it would be me, then I would put the voting poll up on my channel, and everybody else who's in the competition part of this will just in their community tab share my voting poll so that you can still vote. If you followed somebody other than me and you'd rather vote on their channel, you can still vote there, but it'll just be one big voting channel or voting poll, and it makes it easier really for all of us. You know, I don't have to go to each channel and count up all the different votes and, you know, go and try to find comments from each of the polls. There'll be one poll. If you comment below it, you can be put in the giveaway for whatever the winning prize is or whatever the winning project is that month. So that's one other change. I'm just looking to make sure. I think I got everything. I had little notes here just because I often will forget something when I'm making a video, and then I go and post and I'm like, oh, I forgot to mention this or I forgot to mention that. But I'm looking down at my notes and I think I have everything. So basically, we want everybody to participate. There's just going to be at most 4 each month that are going to battle it out and do the giveaway. And I'm hoping that anybody who wants to be in that battle part with us where you'd be put in the giveaway and everything, just let us know and we'll find a month for you to do that. We have enough competitors for June, and I think we have 1 in July. So after that, just let us know and we can put you down for that month. and 1 voting poll. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see all of you in the live this afternoon. It's going to be, I believe, 3 p.m. Eastern on Teresa's channel. And have a great day. Bye.